The OMC Shockwave Catch-All 7 Shaker Receiver is a harvesting system that is designed to efficiently shake and catch nuts and fruits such as pistachios, prunes, and cherries. This system is especially useful for crops that cannot be shaken onto the ground. It is a highly effective and efficient way to harvest these crops and can significantly reduce the amount of time and labor required for harvesting. The tube line TL70 is a bale wrapper used in the agricultural industry to wrap bales of hay, straw, or silage in plastic film for storage and transportation. The TL70 is a trailed machine that can be pulled behind a tractor and is capable of wrapping bales up to 5 feet in diameter and 6.5 feet in length. It features a hydraulic loading arm that lifts and moves bales onto the wrapping table, where they are automatically wrapped with plastic film. The TL70 is known for its user-friendly design, efficiency, and durability, and is used by farmers and contractors around the world. The Fontini 70RA is an intriguing offering from an Italian company specializing in the restoration and sale of sophisticated equipment. Currently, they are selling a machine designed for working with rocks, specifically on a Caterpillar platform. This equipment is meticulously restored and arrives in excellent condition, making it suitable for various applications, including working with marble. Italy is renowned for its marble mines, and the Kararski marble, considered one of the most valuable varieties globally, is of particular interest. The machine boasts a 3-meter-long blade and impressive cutting speed, reaching up to 13 centimeters per minute. According to the manufacturer, this model is one of their best-selling worldwide and is extensively utilized by mining companies. The wide tracked base of the machine facilitates easy movement and transportation across the worksite, providing enhanced maneuverability. The mobile brick-making machine has become an active participant in a government program in India. By March 24, 2022, these machines have successfully constructed over 23.2 million permanent housing units. These units were built using a combination of building materials such as wood, cement, concrete, and, of course, bricks. The local company responsible for these machines offers a range of models, even the simplest of which can produce up to 6,000 bricks per hour. The more advanced models can double that output, reaching up to 12,000 bricks per hour. Operating the machine efficiently requires a team of 3 or 4 individuals who work together to ensure the smooth production of bricks without causing any damage. The machine's innovative sensor systems play a crucial role in maintaining precision and consistency throughout the brick-making process. Remarkably, it is possible to cover an area of 152,259 square meters, equivalent to nearly 2 soccer fields, in just 4 days using these machines. The Bazooka Farm Star Wolverine agitation boat has gained attention due to the global shortage of manure in certain countries. In fact, the scarcity of manure has reached a point where the UK has witnessed the emergence of manure hunters who eagerly seek to utilize sewage contents. As a result, specialized manufacturers have emerged to address this demand. The advantage of utilizing techniques like the Wolverine agitation boat from the United States is its ability to effectively mix manure in wagons. Without proper mixing, numerous issues arise, such as clogged pumps, which not only waste money but also consume valuable time. This model tackles these challenges by incorporating 251 diameter propellers. With its 302 horsepower engine and a spacious tank, the boat can operate continuously for up to 10 hours on a single fill. The Wolverine agitation boat from Bazooka Farm Star provides a reliable solution to the manure scarcity problem. Its efficient mixing capabilities and extended operating time make it an invaluable asset for farmers and agricultural operations dealing with manure management. The REC Grassilage Vertiiler is a German-made machine used for distributing grass silage, hay, and other fodder in a uniform manner. It is commonly used by farmers and contractors for feeding livestock in an efficient manner. The machine features a hydraulically powered conveyor belt that is capable of distributing the feed over a wide area, which helps to reduce wastage and ensures even distribution of feed to the animals. The REC Grassilage Vertiiler is available in various sizes and can be mounted on different types of tractors, making it a versatile and useful machine for farmers. The Bracti 35B3 row trencher is a forestry machine designed for creating planting trenches for trees. It can dig up to 3 trenches simultaneously, with adjustable depth and spacing. The trencher is suitable for a variety of terrains and soil types and is capable of creating straight and even trenches. The Bracti 35B is a highly efficient and cost-effective way of planting trees, as it reduces the amount of labor required and increases planting accuracy. The Liebherr A922 rail is a versatile railroading excavator that is used in railway track construction and maintenance. It is equipped with a rail guidance system that allows it to travel along railway tracks, and it has a compact design that makes it ideal for working in tight spaces. The excavator has a powerful engine and hydraulics that enable it to perform a variety of tasks, including digging, loading, and lifting. The cab of the A922 rail is designed for operator comfort, with a spacious and ergonomic interior that provides excellent visibility and easy access to all controls. Additionally, the excavator is equipped with safety features such as cameras and sensors that help to prevent accidents on the railway. The Vogel Super 3002 is a powerful and efficient road paver machine used in the construction industry. It is designed to lay asphalt on large road surfaces such as highways, airports, and industrial sites. The machine has a maximum paving width of 16 meters and a paving thickness of up to 500 millimeters squared. It can handle a wide range of materials including asphalt, concrete, and gravel. The Super 3002 is equipped with advanced features such as a modern control system, intelligent sensors, and automatic leveling to ensure precise and uniform paving results. The machine is also designed for easy maintenance and cleaning, making it a reliable and cost-effective choice for road construction projects. The Cymex WE100 introduces an innovative feature that enhances the capabilities of an excavator by equipping it with cutting capabilities. This unique solution has garnered interest among demolition professionals as it allows for faster and more efficient demolition work on various materials like concrete, asphalt, and stone. Developed and manufactured in Italy, the Cymex WE100 is available in multiple models, offering a working depth of up to 1 meter. The recommended weight range for the excavator to be equipped with this upgrade is between 28 to 75 tons. Once installed, this cutting attachment enables the excavator to perform both horizontal and vertical cuts, even underwater. It has proven useful in diverse applications, such as facilitating the expansion of a hospital in a Swiss city and dismantling concrete floors in similar scenarios. The Manitou TH57 introduces an interesting fact about wheel designed for quarry operations. This wheel is comparable in weight and height to that of an adult elephant, weighing 5.3 tons and standing at 4 meters tall. This comparison emphasizes the massive size and strength of the wheel, highlighting its significance in handling heavy-duty tasks. In the event of tire-related issues, it becomes crucial to have the right assistance, and this is where the Manitou hoists come into play. Manufactured by the French company Manitou, these lifting devices offer a range of equipment variants with lifting capacities ranging from 2.5 to 12 tons. You have the flexibility to operate the equipment either from the cabin or remotely using a manipulator. Have you ever wondered what happens to worn-out tires? In some cases, they undergo a process called roughening using systems like the Eagle Edge 360. These roughening machines are designed to strip away the worn-out layer of tread from the tires, leaving them ready for further processing. The Eagle Edge 360, manufactured in the United States, employs a special cutter head to scrape off the worn tread layer. Operating on an automated cycle, the Eagle Edge 360 system carefully monitors various parameters, including tire rotation and pressure. It utilizes high-performance vacuum technology combined with a magnetic insert. This advanced vacuum evacuation technology efficiently collects and captures any released metal particles during the roughening process. The Traffic Line's Duo Twister is a remarkable solution for tackling a common issue on racetracks: the accumulation of rubber worms. Whether it's due to braking, overtaking, or other maneuvers, racetracks require thorough cleaning before each new day of racing. The German series Traffic Lines has introduced an effective solution to address this problem. Interestingly, this technology is not limited to racetracks alone. It has also found applications in airports. What's truly impressive is that the cleaning process does not rely on chemicals, but rather utilizes a powerful water jet. This method ensures that the surface dries quickly and remains undamaged. With a generous working width of up to 4.2 meters, the Traffic Line's Duo Twister enables swift and efficient operation. Additionally, its patented suction and recirculating system further enhances productivity, saving both time and money. The machine's tank capacity is substantial, providing ample water supply for approximately 6.5 hours of continuous operation. This video demonstrates paving stone removal using a CAT 926M wheel loader. The CAT 926M is a medium-sized wheel loader designed and manufactured by Caterpillar, a world-renowned manufacturer of heavy equipment. The 926M is part of CAT's M series of wheel loaders, which are designed to deliver maximum productivity and efficiency. The 926M has a powerful CAT C7 Onacert engine that provides up to 150 horsepower, allowing it to handle a variety of tasks with ease. The machine has a maximum operating weight of 25,527 pounds and a maximum bucket capacity of 3.5 cubic yards, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including construction, agriculture, and mining. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of interesting videos about various heavy equipment which can impress you. See you soon in the new video. Bye.